What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and I am here with my girlfriend, Melody. This is super cool. We always like to pick up costume jewelry. We also like to look for gold, and I think we found some. Let me kind of show you what we got.
This one, I'm not even sure what this means. M period, W period, but then it says 18K.
I'm wondering if that's a brand.
Maybe. This one says it too.
They both say 18 karat.
This one, same thing. M period, W period, 18 karat. So we definitely want to get those checked. And we have a gold dealer we go to.
Is it okay if I have a camera on?
Oh, that's fine.
All right. All right.
She's really excited because she was getting ready to go throw the ball.
We're gonna do a little thing on gold from.
Okay. You're not gonna post me on Facebook here.
I was gonna put it on YouTube if I can.
I don't care.
But most important thing is to make sure your gold place has a great dog. We bought costume jewelry, and this time they were positive none of it was real. And I said, I think some of this is.
You shouldn't teach people how to do your job, dude. You mind if I put acid on it?
No, do whatever you gotta do. None of this has any sentimental or emotional value. That one, it's marked. This one's kind of weird. It says that the chain and the other part are real.
It's gold filled. GF.
Oh, does it say that on there?
Yep.
Oh, you got. See, I couldn't see that.
One of the rings is gold.
No, it says 10K.
That's what I thought it said.
I don't know. It's
normally
like
take
flaking and stuff. It looks like it's
Like fake.
well, not fake. It looks like it's gold filled to me because of the way how it's kind of. You see these little black things.
No, I don't think this is real. When you read this, this says that only the chain.
It says only the chain.
It says the chain and the pendant or something like that are real.
10K chain. And signet. Yep.
I don't think that other part is real at all. What's your dog's name?
Sam. Sam, go say hi.
Come here, Sam. Yeah, Sam. Super nice dog. So the lady that I bought this from, she was sure that none of this was gold. I'm almost positive she's wrong. But my goal is I will take her back some of the money when I sell it. Does it bother you when people bring in mystery metal and hope it's gold?
No, every day, man. I get these guys. They dig through the trash, or they find, I don't know. They'll find stuff like this all the time, but it ends up just being just fake stuff or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody threw it in the trash, and I'm like, no, dude, that's a gas station ring.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Yeah, but the guys there's these people at the gas station that rip people off every day. $3,000 a day they make at it.
Oh no, you think this one's fake? We thought it was too.
Yeah, it's no good. And I can't believe you came in today.
Yeah,
I'm in shock right now. Like, I was sitting there going, I know this is the wife that doesn't like to come in.
She doesn't talk to people.
Well, I had to bring the stuff in last time, and you said, "Do you not like me or something?" you sit out in the car.
But you say you don't have any emotional connection.
Zero.
Do you want me to knock this out so I don't have to guess to wait?
Yeah.
No, she's nervous if she can't see me.
Come here, Sam.
About 5 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah. Good girl.
She's been hurt for 3 days. So, like, her back, I don't know, when we go over there, because the grass is so, she'll step on, like, some hard grass or a stick, and it, like, jabs her foot. So it's like, oh.
Is she an older dog?
No, she'll be 4 in November.
Oh,
She's still a baby.
yeah. I think our dog is 13 now, and he's moving slower.
Yeah.
We got him at the Walmart there in Hillsboro. These people were giving them away, and they had a box of puppies. So Melody had never had a dog, so I picked out the most chill dog that they had. Like, all the other puppies were running around, and he was just laying there, and I thought, that's the kind of dog they need.
And now he's crazy.
No, he had a broken neck.
What?
He had a broken neck. He was laying there because he had a broken neck. So
he must have gotten dropped.
Mom probably stepped on him or something. He had a broken neck and a broken tail. Yeah. Plus, they said he would get to 12 pounds. He's a little lighter now that he's older, but I think he maxed out around 80. He's part border collie, part traveling man. Melody has a tooth, not her tooth, but to bring in one of her mom's gold teeth.
Round.
Yeah.
I buy teeth It's so funny. People are like, "You really buy teeth?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And well, they'll bring them in straight from like the dentist. You know, they had it pulled or whatever,
Yeah.
and it's got the root on it. I'm like, I'm gonna go because they have it in a little blue medical bag.
I'm gonna melt that off there.
I go, no. I said I'm gonna go back in there and just smash it up inside the bag and take the gold. Do you want your tooth? They're like, no.
Yeah.
And I'll just, I mean, because I don't want to touch it. I got I got my little
This
disposable gloves
Yeah.
too, because I don't want to touch people's
No.
dirty teeth.
This
Well,
one
this-
doesn't have a tooth in
It
it.
doesn't, no, it's
Yeah.
just the crown.
Yeah.
Comes out to $380.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how much did you underpay? Did you come
Oh
out
no,
right?
she threw it in with all the stuff I was buying because it was just costume jewelry. We got a whole jewelry box full of stuff, and so that's what a lot of times we'll just buy all of it.
Huh.
And you'd be shocked at how many times you'll find a little piece in there, and we just save them. And
I've had these. There's some ladies. It's 2 daughters and a grandma.
Yeah.
So the mom doesn't do it, but the grandma does, and so they just. I mean, she's like 100.
yeah,
But they'll go to these garage sales and they all fight over who gets the bag of, like bag of stuff like that, and they'll give $5 for it, $20. She just actually bought me a plate. It was a silver plate. Like this bowl right here is $80. That's why it's screwed down. So but anyways, so they brought me a plate. I was like, how much did you pay for it? I was like, it's $100. She's
Yeah.
like, $100? She goes, I only gave 20 for it. I was like,
5 times your money.
but yeah, people just don't know.
Yeah.
So
Hey, yeah. From clay, just a little.
We're gonna go, Sam.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm supposed to get your ID. So 1, 2, 3, 50, 20, 80.
Awesome. I'm just gonna split it with her, but she's not expecting anything.
We
Yeah,
listed
but
a
see,
bunch
that's
of stuff
the
on
karma
eBay.
thing. I had this one customer. He sold me this coin. I was like, man, I think that's a $4,000 coin because it wasn't even an ounce
Right,
of gold.
right.
I go, dude, I just looked it up. He goes, well, I don't want to get it graded. I go, well, I'll get it graded, or I'll call my guy and see how much he's gonna pay.
Right.
And I go, man, because I think it was only worth like $800.
I don't think you ever lose by doing the right thing. Like, I suppose you do some, but I never have. Almost $200. That's pretty
No.
good. No. Oh.
380.
Yeah, 380. I'm thinking about my share.
Okay.
So 380. I am going to. Janelle has no idea, but she's going to get an extra $190 from us for letting us buy her costume jewelry. That's why we do this. Pick gold people that you trust. Make sure they have a good dog. That's it for this one, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.